A very warm and cozy good evening to everyone present here for this event today. This was grand. Did you all enjoy? I'm so proud of you, all of my Sujanians. This is pure Kirpa. Kirpa Satka Maharaji and Daddy Ji. Without their presence, this would not have been possible. And zillion times I bow and मेरा नमस्कार है towards my गुरु पिता ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਚੇਅਰਮੈਨ ਸਰ ਔਰ ਸਾਥ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੇ ਬੜੇ ਪਾਪਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਡੈਡੀ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਬਖਸ਼ੀਸ਼ ਇਸ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਂਭਿਆ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਇਆ after years in fact first time in 25 years we have put up a show like this and we will keep going ahead hence I would just like to summarize I would like to extend my vote of thanks to our Director Principal Mam, Ms. Purnima Dwivedi, under whose able guidance and leadership this event took place. I would like to thank all my teachers and students for working so hard for it. So my expectations have increased many folds. My teachers, my students, and my principal ma'am, as a Sujanian family, our standards are very high and maybe a lot more higher than this because, as they say, always dream big. So, my teachers, my students, are you ready for another year of hard work with me? I didn't hear that. Thank you. We work as a team, and every team member is equally important. It can never be a one-man show. Thank you, everyone, for gracing this occasion. At last, I would like to add something. If in the process of last 6 months or during the rehearsals, I had said anything which had hurt anyone's feelings, sentiments, I apologize. मेरी किसी भी गल दा किसी नू बुरा लग्या होवे दिल दुखिया होवे प्लीज माफ कर देना कोई गल विचार अच्छे लगे होन रख लेना कोई चीज बुरी लगी होए वापस कर देना I conclude this event on a positive and happy note. Thank you.